10 Incredible Secrets Behind Guido Van Rossum, creator of Python. Guido Van Rossum, the creator of Python, is a computer programmer and software developer who has left an indelible mark on the world of technology. Here are 10 incredible secrets about Guido Van Rossum and his creation of Python. Number 1. Guido Van Rossum created Python in December 1989 while he was working at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science, CWI, in the Netherlands. He wanted to create a language that was easy to read and write, and that would appeal to hobbyists as well as professional programmers. Number 2. The name Python was inspired by Guido's love of Monty Python's Flying Circus, a British comedy troupe that was popular in the 1970s. Number 3. Van Rossum has stated that he never imagined Python would become as popular as it has. He initially designed it to be a simple, easy-to-use language for his own personal projects. Number 4. Python is now one of the most widely used programming languages in the world, with applications in web development, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. Number 5. Guido Van Rossum stepped down as the Benevolent Dictator for Life (BDFL) of Python in July 2018, handing over control of the language to a steering council. However, he remains an influential figure in the Python community. Number 6. Guido Van Rossum was born in the Netherlands in 1956. He studied mathematics and computer science at the University of Amsterdam, and worked at CWI for more than a decade before moving to the United States. Number 7. Guido Van Rossum worked for several tech companies in the United States, including Google, where he spent more than a decade as a software engineer. He retired from Google in 2012. Number 8. Guido Van Rossum has received numerous awards and honors for his work on Python, including the Free Software Foundation's Award for the Advancement of Free Software in 2001, and the NLUUG Award in 2003. Number 9. Guido Van Rossum is also known for his work on other programming languages, including ABC, a language that was the inspiration for Python, and TypeScript, a language developed by Microsoft. Number 10. In addition to his work in technology, Guido Van Rossum is also a trained amateur musician and has played the piano and organ in various bands and ensembles. He has said that music is his secret weapon for dealing with stress and anxiety.